Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a doc file to EPUB and how to convert a doc file to MOBI. So first of all, type in doc to EPUB and then open up convertico.com, then click choose files and then type in .doc and select what file you want to convert. Let's see this, and then you can select convert to EPUB, MOBI, etc., or honestly anything you want. You can document like for many mods. I'm going to put this link into this description in the comments, and then click convert. You can download it, and here at the top right you will see it here. Have a good day.